Hey everybody, gonna make some homemade laundry detergent. This particular recipe I've been using for years. It's about 3 cents a load. We're gonna go through this piece by piece. It comes out to 13 pounds, 13.6 ounces, so I rounded up to 14 pounds, which comes out to 448 tablespoons. Approximately 3 cents a load. Now, I've got 14.1 of Zote, $1.06, 97 cents on the Fells Naphtha, and that is 5 ounce. We have the laundry booster, as you can see, it's 4.12, and that is 3 pounds 7 ounce. The borax, 447, and that is 4 pounds 1 ounce. Believe it or not, I got these. Well, all of this right here so far has come from Walmart. These right here came from the Dollar Tree, but they were only 56 cents from the Dollar Tree. 2 of these, a pound each. Dollar General for $1 on the dollar aisle. Dollar Tree, and this is the Awesome Oxygen, and it is also 1 pound. And then the orange one, which in this case was 32, so it's 32 ounce, so 2 pounds, $1, which is the best buy because you're getting 2 pounds of the same thing. It's just orange. But anyway, this is just how I like it. So I do the orange label of the Awesome Oxygen Orange, and then the Awesome Power Oxygen. It's a base cleaner. Both of them are a base cleaner. They're great. And all of this, everything you see here, is going to go in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grate both of these. Some people will put 3 Fells Naphtha. Some people put just 1 Zote. But I like the Zote and 1 Fells Naphtha. That's just my personal preference. And then I'll use both boxes of the regular baking soda like you cook with, 56 cents. And then this is, a lot of people say maybe you don't need it, but this is it's a soda, but it's not pure baking soda. And then the entire box of borax. So anyway, let me grate these and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the Zote and the Fells Naphtha all mixed up. It's okay to have big pieces, little pieces, it's however you want to do it. Now I'm gonna start pouring everything in. And as I pour it in, I'm gonna try to go ahead and get it good and mixed. That smells so good. Baking soda 1, which was still my best deal at 56 cents at the Dollar Tree. And this is especially good for your whites. You can use it for toothpaste, baking soda. Whiten your teeth. Now, when you choose your scent, in this case, I got lavender. You make sure it's not gel. Make sure that it's dry. You don't want this wet because this is a dry. All of it's dry. You don't want gel. So anyway, $1 on the dollar aisle, Dollar General. Booster, Rehauser, I don't know. It's a scent. It's lavender scent. Entire box of borax. Dust flying up. If you're sensitive to dust, you know, maybe do it outside at a table. Get every everything well mixed. And I have some nice containers that I'm going to put this in. Now, you can use 3 of these or just 1 of the orange. I like the 2-pound orange with 1 of these because of the color. You really could do 2 pounds, but I like 3. And this is what I measure everything with. This would be your tablespoon. So you already have that. And that's per load. So there's 2 of those. And I keep my containers to make other things. 2 pounds of that. And you just want it well mixed. You don't want any, so it's even. Now a lot of people put theirs in a trash bag, and if you can't get it mixed well, put it in a trash bag such as this. You scoop it in there and you just mix. I get a tote that's bigger so that I can mix it all in. And then I take it and I put it in a glass bottle, several different sizes, and I pull it out and put it beside my washer as I need it. You just mix everything up. So that way when you get your tablespoon, it's even. So, for 3 cents a tablespoon, if you have just a small load or whatever, and this is what I do, I just use 1 tablespoon. If you have a really large dingy load, use 2. Whites, dingy, I would use 3. If they're whites and not that dingy, use 2. If it's a small load of whites, just use 1. And this should last well over a year, depending on the size of your family. That's 448 tablespoons, so that's 448 loads at 3 cents. So, I mean, you know, so what if you use 3 of these? That's 9 cents. You can't beat it. And it smells good, and it's gonna clean your clothes. Okay, that's it, folks. Thank you so much. If you like my channel, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. See you around.